All right, everyone, welcome to your final yoga practice of your Live Well Challenge in the new year. All right, it was just one per week, and then maybe you took some other practices from other aspects of my YouTube channel or in person. So thank you guys for doing that, for sharing the videos, and we're gonna start today seated on our bottoms. So go ahead and have a seat with me. Feel free to cross your shins, sit up nice and tall, relax your shoulders. Good. Hold on to your knees for me and start to draw some circles with your belly. Starting to move gently around. Good. Feeling the spine here as it stretches. Exhale the other way, so go ahead and rotate up and around. Good. Drawing your circles. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Now, take a seated side stretch to one side. So you're going to reach up and over for a big lateral stretch. Exhale, maybe let your head fall. Feel that nice, yummy, yummy stretch. And then gently come up through center, up and over to the other side, palm or forearm. You're going to reach long through your top arm. And again, maybe your head kind of falls, stretching it out. Good. Come all the way back to center. Switch the cross of your shins that's in the front. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, seated twist to one side. So go ahead and grab hold of the knee and then rotate the spine. And then see if you can turn your gaze all the way behind you. 3, 2. Good. Exhale, rotate forward, reach up. Seated twist the opposite way. So again, ground the fingertips, rotate, revolving the spine. 3. Engage your stomach muscles here. 2. Good. Exhale, pivot back through center. Beautiful job. From here, we'll transition to tabletop, hands and knees. I want you to extend back through the bottom of your right foot. Exhale. And then stretch it out and switch. Left foot. Good. From there, tuck your toes under, lift your knees 2 inches off of your yoga mat. Just 2 inches. Hold. Now push back, both hands, walk your feet backwards. Soft bend your knees, press your chest to your thighs. Good. High plank, roll forward. Roll your hips back to down dog. Exhale, gaze to your toes. Again, high plank, roll forward. Exhale, gaze to your toes as you push back. Good. From there, right leg rises, bend your knee, open up your hips, so feel your right thigh lift up. Straighten the right leg, exhale, step the right foot through. Good. Come up onto your fingertip pads, look forward. Let your left hip sink down just a little bit. Feel the stretch in your hip flexor on the backside. Beautiful. Drop your left knee. Heel toe your right foot over to the right. Turn your right toes out, hands inside of your foot, softening through the back thigh. Let your heart reach forward as your right toes stay turned out, creating space in your back left thigh. Option to stay here or take your right arm around, bend your back knee, and then maybe grab hold of your foot. Good. Roll your chest open for 3. Find that nice deep stretch here for 2. And then exhale, come up and over, hands inside a foot. Good. Pick up your back left knee. Take your time here. Heel toe the right foot back to the center. Step forward, feet together. Inhale, flat back to lengthen. Exhale, how straight can you get your legs as you fold forward? Standing back bend, squeeze the inner thighs, rise to stand, reach up. Good. Release your hands down by your sides. Right hand's going to slide down the right side body. Inhale, side body stretch. Looking slightly forward or look left underneath your left side. And then inhale, come through center. Left hand slides down left leg. Right arm rises. Find that deep stretch on the right. 3. Core engages. 2. Good. Come back to center. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, fold forward. Flat back, gaze forward, plank, step back. First chaturanga, your vinyasa, lower. Inhale, cobra or up dog. And then exhale, push up and over your feet, down dog. Let's do the left side, lift it up. Bend your knee, open up your hip, let your heel fall to your butt as you push back. Good, straighten the leg. Exhale, step through. Now, use your fingertips here. Let your right hip sink down some and just hold and breathe. 3. Good, pause. 2. Exhale, drop it all the way down. Heel toe your left foot over to the left. Good, toes are slightly turned out. Hands are inside of your foot. Let your heart reach forward. Good, take another breath here, and then on your exhale, you're gonna bend your back knee, heel comes to butt. Reach your left arm up and around, grab hold of your foot if you want to, and then gently pull the heel in towards your bottom. Rolling your chest open, gazing behind you, can you see your left toes? Good, exhale, reach your arm around, pick up your back knee. Heel toe your left foot to the center of the mat. Look forward, step, right foot meets left foot. Halfway lift the spine again. Exhale, hands go flat as you drop your gaze down. Good, squeeze the inner thighs, inhale, rise, reverse prayer. Plug the thumbs behind the neck, lift the heart. Good, reach up, and then gather your hands to heart center. Beautiful. From here, raise your left knee in line with your belly button. Left ankle crosses right thigh, flex your foot, push your hips back and down. Sit low through your right knee, reaching your tailbone back as your heart reaches forward. Maybe extend your arms back and fly. 3. Hold on to it. 2. Good. Inhale, bring your left knee up. Exhale, release. Right knee rises. Inhale. Stand tall on left foot. Exhale, right ankle crosses, sit back and down. Exhale, reach back, bring your chest to your thighs. 3. Feel the stretch in the outside of your right hip, flat back. 2. Good. Inhale, feet together, reach up. And then exhale, fold forward. We're gonna flow through our vinyasa again, so halfway lift. Exhale, planks, take it back. You can jump or step. Push up, back bend, and then push to down dog. Slow the breath. Walk your hands to the back of your mat this time. Halfway lift. Good, malasana. So you're gonna widen out your feet, turn your toes out 10 and 2, sink your hips down. Good. Bring your thumbs to heart center. Bring your heart forward. Feel this nice stretch. Maybe you feel it more in the low back, upper back, or even the insides of your legs. Maybe your yoga practice has evolved throughout these few weeks. Maybe you want to stretch out your low back. Feel free to walk your hands out. Let your head fall. Good. Exhale your hands down and then push to straighten the legs. Turn the toes forward. Exhale, lower your head. Halfway lift the spine, gaze forward. Exhale, bring it back to down dog. Good. Bend the right knee a lot. Look how I'm going to step my left foot in. And I just want you to push down through your right heel. Stretch out your right hamstring. Open mouth, exhale. And then switch. Put the left heel down. Step the right foot forward some. Push back through the left hip. And again, exhale. Right leg lifts this time. Bend your knee, open your hip. And then you're going to bring it forward for pigeon. So I want you to lay your shin down, bring your chest up, and then really feel your body open from the front. Good. From there, exhale, melt forward. Maybe you melt all the way down. So remember, right knee is facing about 2 o'clock. Right foot is facing diagonal of 2 o'clock, which would be 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Good. And then just feel the release in the outside of your right hip. Now, option to stay here, or we took a similar stretch in the beginning with the quad stretch, so you can stay here or bend your back left knee. This time, left arm comes around to grab the foot. So it's same foot, same hand. And then the goal is to face forward towards the front of the mat, not to open up to the left, okay? Again, maybe you're in pigeon or you're up here with me in this variation of mermaid, your quad stretch. Exhale, leg goes long. Good. If you're in pigeon still, bring it up. Exhale, step back to down dog. And then left leg is going to glide up. Bend your knee, open your hip, pause. Raise your leg, bring the shin forward, pigeon. Left knee faces about 10 o'clock. Left foot faces about that 4 or 5 o'clock. Back toes up, exhale, drop them down, and then melt down when you're ready. Good, relax. Feel the opening in the outside of your left hip. 3 deep breaths. And then choose to stay here for longer or straighten the arms. Once you get here, bend your back knee. Maybe the right arm takes a giant circle. Find your foot. Hold it. Maybe the foot comes to the crease of the elbow. And again, I'm trying to pull my chest forward so that my body's facing the front of my mat, not turning open towards you. Good. If you have your foot, one more breath with me. If you're in pigeon, one more breath. Good. Release your foot. Press up if you're in pigeon. Exhale. Final down dog. Big push back. And then separate your feet wide. Take your left hand to your right ankle. Give it a little twist here. Turn and twist. Feel this in the outside of your hip. Beautiful work. Good. Exhale your left hand down. Right hand's going to grab on. And then again, take that twist outside of the hip. Good. Release your hands down. Push back with your booty. Good. Drop the knees. Make your way to seated on your bum. We started this practice seated and now we are back. Raise both arms up to the sky when you're ready. Exhale, seated forward fold. I'm going to reach over top of my feet, fingertips down, and then pull down. If you can't grab your feet, that's okay. And you might only be able to grab the sides of your feet too. Good. 2 more breaths here. Just ease through the back of the body. Big inhales, big exhales. And then you're going to inhale, lift and lengthen your spine, flat back. Exhale, fold in one more time. Good. Rise up super slow. Scooch the bum forward and then exhale, lay down onto your back. Let your knees come into your chest. Slowly wrap your arms around your legs. Apply pressure to the shins. The thighs apply pressure to the stomach, which then the back will apply pressure to the earth, and that will feel nice and good. And now we're going to drop our knees to the right. So bump your hips left in order to drop your knees right so you can really feel the twist. Good. Left arm stays reaching away from the body here. 3. Feel the opening in your left side ribs. 2. Exhale through center. Take your time. Bump the hips up and over. Good. Knees drop left. Feel the opening along the right ribs this time. Supine twist. And then on your exhale, gracefully come back through center. And then extend your legs long, one leg and then the other. Exhale your hands by your sides, palms face up or down, slow your breath. Inhaling and exhaling slowly. Noticing if you can take a big full inhale to fill up, open mouth exhale to slow it down. Relax your jaw. Beautiful work. On your next breath, very gently and slowly, you're going to bring your knees into your chest. Rock up to seated, 1, 2, 3 rocks if you need it. And then sit cross-legged like we started today. Shins crossed, spine long, core lifted, abdominal muscles engaged, hands to heart center. Close your eyes. Beautiful job. Week 4 is complete. Thank you for sweating and moving with me. And as we bow forward, namaste. Nice job, guys, and I'll catch you again soon.